Go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chosen Asha, and today we're going to make some content to show you my environment. We're going to go by this new waterfall and just do some things today. So today I just come to show my fam where I'm at and the things that we're doing today. So guess what? So I'm Chosen Asha. I'm a new upcoming YouTuber, but when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. So let's go. This is so beautiful out, you guys. Like, we're gonna get a chance to see the waterfall. And those flowers over there are so cute. Those flowers are beautiful. Like, we're gonna get a good look at the spring. It's just flowing. The spring is flowing, you guys. That is so beautiful. Yeah. We out here in Hot Springs, South Dakota, which we won't be long. But I'm trying to get some good content as I travel through the world. So yeah. Don't mind them guys. We're going to get them out of our camera. Oh my God. We don't want no naked people in our videos. So y'all. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, try not to get them. Woo, look at the waterfall. Look at the waterfall, you guys. And the rocks. Real nice scene. Wow. Okay, I gotta be careful. So guys, that concludes the video. I would like for you to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will do a giveaway. So I hope you enjoyed the content today. Remember that Jesus loves you, so do I. Bye-bye.